Hey friends, just a quick video here to help you understand how to complete these two optional math facts assignments. Well, doing both is optional. You should at least try one. So on this page, what I've done is I've separated it's just a 100 chart. I've separated a 100 chart into different colored puzzle pieces. So what your job would be is to have yourself or someone else near you who's really good with those scissors carefully cut along each color to make puzzle pieces. Then take all those puzzle pieces, mix them up, maybe turn them over. Then you can put them back in order. You may even want to use and print out this puzzle board in order to place the puzzle pieces back in their correct spaces. You could also glue them in to recreate the 100 number chart. Your other option is to complete this paper. It's called Find the Missing Numbers. Number 1, look at the images at the bottom of this page. We have a kitty cat and a car and a yo-yo, cupcake, heart. Looks like a tomato, but I bet it's an apple. Then you find the images inside the 100 number chart. This one's actually 120. Then write down the numbers that would go where the images are. So here's an example. I have a little, it looks like a little teddy bear here, and teddy bear is located right here. So my job is to figure out what number that would be that is being covered by the teddy bear, and the answer is 117. So that's all you have to do. If you really are feeling spicy, do both. Okay, hope you enjoy.